Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I want to take a moment of your time to share with you how easy it is to take advantage of the promotion that Stampin' Up! Is offering this August. So this is a joining offering and it goes till August the 31st, 2019. It is my personal goal to get 10 Canadians to join my team. The Sundown Stampers team is a growing team of supportive, fun, and talented people. They range from ambitious business pioneers to happy stampers that want to shop at a discount. If you want to know more about joining this crazy Canadian crafting team, keep watching. But hey, if we've never met before, let me introduce myself. My name is Susanne Netz, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. I have over 800 YouTube videos, and I share inspiration to crafters like you. I've been a demonstrator for almost 6 years, and I have just recently redeemed my first incentive trip to the Greek Isles. As a team leader, I share everything from how to blog, navigating through YouTube, showing you the ropes at Stampin' Up!, how to even prepare an in-person class. That's my job. The great thing is I'm still learning too, so we can figure stuff out together. I'm eager to work with new team members. I would love it if you shared this video with your crafty friends if it's not your time, but if it's your time, I would love to see you sign up with me and help me achieve my goal. So let's get back to this joining offer. Does $84 in free crafting products, perhaps out of the new catalog. Does that interest you? That's what this promotion breaks down as. You pay $135 for the starter kit, and that includes free shipping. You get $70 worth of products that you can select yourself, customize yourself, it's whatever you want. And then you get a $14 coupon to be used in the future in September. If this offer sounds good to you, let me show you how you sign up. Let's go to my computer. This is my blog and website. There's a lot of stuff going on here, but we're concerning ourselves today with the join. If you are watching or looking at this with a, say, tablet or cell phone, you're going to find the word menu that comes up in front in a blue button, and then you're going to click on the menu and you're going to choose the join section. So I do have a couple of pages here. You can join my team directly. You can add the frequently asked questions page. You can sign up today. You can click the contact me. If you have any questions, you can click this big button that says click here to order your starter kit. So I'm going to click that one because it's the easiest. I made many different avenues for you to get here. So once we're here, I would encourage you to read everything. And once you've read everything, you can acknowledge everything. All right, and then we'll go right into continue. So we're going to choose our starter kit value, and this is the extra promotion. It's $135, and you get $205 worth of product. Do you have a Stampin' Rewards starter kit code? Most people are going to say no, but if you happen to have ordered or just had a party or have ordered $200 worth of product yourself, you can use your Stampin' Rewards towards this starter kit. So I'm going to press apply, and here we are. We have two business supplies packs. You have to choose one, and you will want to because one has the catalog for the annual, and it also has the catalog for the holidays. You got a free paper pumpkin. You've got a magazine, a success magazine. There's also like some order forms just in case you wanted to start your business off with a bang. And now this is the most important part. You will want to go through and build your starter kit. Now, they give you options on how to do that, but basically if you want to join with your new holiday products, that's what I would suggest you do. You go in here and start choosing what you want. Now, the nice thing is, say if I chose all of these items here, you just add, and you can see how they are adding up here so that I know it won't let you go over $205. I will say that. I know for that for a fact. So you have to do your mathematical calculations and make sure that you have what you need. So I need $32.50. Let's go here, cup of Christmas. And I think I have $3.50 left. Now, if I had really thought this out, I would make sure that I take every bit of money that I get here. So yeah, order some dimensional, something, whatever, you figure it out. Make sure that you get every cent without losing anything, because they won't let you go over. If you have more product that you want to purchase, then what I suggest is writing it down on a list, and then right away in your first order, go ahead and order that product. You're going to get 20% off that first order. So, and then all of you have to do is write out all of our information here and make sure we select our tax rate, because in Canada we have different taxes per province. And then make sure, of course, that my name is right here, the upline for Susanne Netz. So you will go through some information. There's a review and submit, and then it tells you what you need to do for your next steps. That is a recap of what you will need to do to sign up as a demonstrator, and you will be a demonstrator for the next 6 months, because you have this full quarter and then plus next quarter to enjoy the discount. And that is over. It's the best time of year to sign up as a demonstrator, because it gets you over the annual and the holiday catalog, and there's going to be so much crafting that's going on. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email, and I would love to hear from you. And bye for now.